Hey guys, we're going to clean today. I've got some old footage I had from the other day, and I'm just going to spend about 5 or 10 minutes in each room. And I wanted to tell you about a product that I really love for my throw rugs that makes them smell so good. I don't think I'd use it on my clothes. It might be a little bit too strong, but on your draperies and on your throw rugs, this detergent, it is called Glamorous Wash, and I like the high maintenance scent. So Glamorous Wash High Maintenance. It's very strong. So one time I used it on my kitchen floor and it was like a little bit too perfumey. But just to wash your rugs and maybe something else, and it really makes your house smell great. Another thing, I'm gonna order another one of these. This is simmering cider. So fall's coming up, so I'm gonna order another one of these. It just smells so good. And another thing I love, because I love chocolate, and you guys probably love chocolate, and this is not too fattening, and it's the Fit peanut butter powder, and it is chocolate. Yummo. So, I was feeling like I'm really tired, and I've got to go to work at 1, and I was feeling like I need something chocolate. I'd love to have a piece of fudge right now. So I just mixed up a couple tablespoons of this peanut butter Fit, and it's 70 calories. So you could put a banana in there too. And it's just so good. It's just so chocolatey. It kind of fulfills that chocolate craving without like getting too many points or calories going. So it's not as dense as like milk chocolate or dark chocolate. So anyway, I just wanted to tell you guys about those products, and I might link those in my video. And so we're just going to do some cleaning today, and then we'll get back to about 15 minutes or so on each little cleaning item I was doing. My house I still need a lot of work. You know, we live with people, they have a lot of stuff. So, you know, sometimes you get tired of sorting other people's things. But anyway, I just wanted to say cheers to the power of 15 minutes. This is my new thing I do. I fill up my wine glass with ice and water, and then I just infuse it with a little wine. And now this particular glass, I rinsed off some cherries with the stems and put those in here. So I feel like I have a really opulent, that's what I want to say. I feel like I have like a martini or something with olives in it. But it's just water, H2O infused, inexpensive, dry rosé with cherries. So anyway, have a good evening. And I'm getting ready for my virtual happy hour. And I don't want to drink too much, so this will do the trick. And you guys have a wonderful evening. And don't forget the power of 15 minutes. Talk to you later.